and say I'm going to send him an application for your art technician. What do you think about that?
Yes, sir?
I'm going to send in one application for your fine arts. So what do you feel about that?
Oh, good idea that we have the hospitality.
Probably our foods. See how they come with me.
Why? You know, some really like school like that, you know. But if you want to go with them, you can go with them.
That would have been good. We can send in an application together.
Alright.
Okay. So, what we going to eat? You go cook? Or you want me to go cook? Because you love when time I cook, you know.
You better if you cook, you know, so I don't really like you cooking thing like that.
Alright, I'm going to cook still. I'm going to wait for daddy if he say, oh, what him want. Because him is a man, him not like when people know cook what him like. So, I'm wait for him.
Yes.
What do you
Okay.
Oh, wow, go
Yeah. Tyrone, can I talk to you a minute there?
Alright. Suko. Sorry, sir, I don't know.
Boy, Tyrone, I know, say, don't have me on the site there. Nothing not to go on and thing on. If I win the boss, I don't get a work on not for $1. So right now, I don't know if you steal money.
Well, not to that truth, I don't really have no money for me like that, but
Man,
I
you
just
must have something for you, man.
because just used to show I want money for do something that's never really. I can give probably 1,000. Probably
Well,
can give 1,000.
how many thousand do you have?
Yeah, man, I just that man, man. As me have more money, you know, but I really want to get fit just because, you know, say, for your birthday, it's so come up.
Yeah, man, but when the birthday come up. Give me a know, man. This I only can buy one drink of romance. This can't even do nothing much. Give me something more of this, man.
Tell the truth, man, no more money.
You have no more money? Alright. This I know I'm good look at, you know.
No, man, I know, say, yeah, man, you've been good to me, so I know, say, if me would have want the money, you would have give me, but I don't have no money for me.
I don't know how long you have me that I can't talk still, no, cause... But you know, alright, I'm not too pressure.
But if I anything, I can, I don't know, if me get the money, I can give.
Alright, do what I do. Don't tell me that I say me say nothing to you.
Alright, but, look more.
And what happened?
No.
So, what you and him did a conversate about?
He just start tell me saying he love how me I go on, he love say me I have one great relationship.
You sure?
Yeah, would I lie to you?
Make sure. So, you still a go thing with Uncle?
I probably have some things to do for me have.
Alright.
But not get upset.
It's alright. Later.
But me call.
Alright, later.
So what go on the ring go?
Yeah, that man. Yo, hold on, man. You don't know better than that, man. I can't do that, man.
Alright,
What
man.
kind of style?
Alright.
Yo,
Wait.
one to you, man.
So we
Yo,
can get a one drink ring?
Wayne, you know better than that, man. Yo, deal with him, ne? Cause this man I go and say one come take man thing for joke thing, you know. What you do? You see, I tourist me a deal. You can't just come put in that thing, so brother. I'm to you.
Yeah, man. So the reason I made the call link is still differently. Is we get a little work on one new site, I want to go for a place, you know? And no shop not about the place. And boy man, my ball say they want some weed. Somebody can link you say, them could get some weed for you. To juggle on the site, you see me?
I mean, you know, I talk some man. I'll sell, you know, man. You say how much money you want? You have the money?
Yeah, well, any much you can give me in about guess what I want. So we just start with me not really get no money on the site yet. Somebody a pre, somebody and take your weed from you, juggle it on the site, and then me give it and just give me a percentage.
Boy, some of deal with for me thing, brother. Money up front, man, because I weed them, man, and weed scarce, So money depend on me can't run on joke.
No, ring, man. You have me word. Me nah grow nothing. Cause me know say a serious man, me nah grow nothing, man.
Yeah, I make an exception. Just get them, you understand?
Alright,
So,
boss. So me just bag them out and deal with them.
yeah, man, I can make 120 grand off for that with ease.
20 grand.
With ease.
Our kush.
Yeah, man. Sativa hybrid, man.
Alright, Ringo. So me just juggle it. I'm linking in a few days as soon as it done.
Do I do, man? Just remember address, man. Just, you see me?
Sure, so me still can't get the drinks here, me.
Yeah, man. But next time you come here, man, you can't just put your hand on the table, so, brother. You understand? See, man, we have people work for me, so. You can't go around the man and others. Just give him something that can go on. Nobody give me sex machine.
Next time you come here, yeah, come play, yeah, so.
Alright, my boss. Yeah, man, respect.
Thing run on the order, yeah, so, you know?
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Nobody give me sex machine, cause I work.
Give me quite energy for you, you have to go for the road.
Alright. Give thanks, see Ringo?
Yeah, man.
Alright, my boss. Bossy,
Good.
forward him. Let me show you a little pre.
Put the black them around there, sir. Yeah, around there. Where you say we?
Bossy, this not look
Well,
like a
yeah.
10. This not look like a 10 yard. It not look like them short need. I want look like I want a little chuck jappy.
Ah, man, I 10 yard, man. I want drop, man. Look over there, sir. So all right gone over there, sir.
Oh, you know, so me not pre that
Yeah.
still.
You good, man. A 10 yard, man.
Differently, bossy. You know, some of a little thing I want to show you. You know,
What
you know me daughter?
No,
Oh,
I don't know that.
yeah, man. I'm sure.
Hurry up, man, because I must
Me
have
know,
to
yeah, man. But this kind of important to you know, my daughter. Yeah, I'm sure. You see,
Wow.
yeah, man, my daughter.
My God, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Nice girl, not you?
Beautiful, man.
Yeah, man. So here I go. Boy, from other day, me a pray a little thing, and I said, boy, me not like a little man them when me see my daughter talk to you know, so a little dirty foot careless boy. So
Okay.
right now, me there say, boy, I want my daughter find one decent young man. You know me I say, yeah, man.
Boy, we ain't no easy, though.
Yeah, man. So
Oh, yeah, set up.
boy, I never hear talk about no wife nor nothing yet still. No. So me there pre say, me coulda, you know, make a connection, introduce her to you. You know me I say. And I mean,
Nice, bad brother. I tell you the truth, she nice. She nice.
yeah, man. And if I nothing, you coulda squeeze me a little thing to still.
Man, wait. What you do?
No, man. You know, you know, you go already, man. You
Just
know,
let
you
me
go
get her number, man. And
All
talk,
right.
you know?
Me line up, man.
All right.
Yeah. Can we can talk to you?
Come on. What you say? The day you smell a room, so.
Yes, you know side run. If rum nah run, no work nah go on. And plus I know me buy no rum and it's a one little sip me take.
You need to tell me. So you say, what now?
Um, you know somebody I talk to when I boss for the work and me I tell them about you. No, nobody look someone, me just not tell them about you and tell them about my daughter nice and thing and
Me know where you come with you now. God almighty. Daddy,
no man, listen me I say now. So when I talk to the boss and one of them and them they not married and then sound like they would are interested in you. You know me I say so me just still want to kinda pave one little way for you and one of them talk cause at least that would help me to get a better position because me a labor up on the site and I want to talk mix malta man.
Daddy, what you mean? Yeah, pave way for me. Me did tell you to pave no way for me. No disrespect, Daddy. But you know, say me and Tyrone still we there together. So what you say you pave way for me?
Yes. Let's be realistic. Tyrone don't have nothing to offer you, know.
That's the, we you know about Tyrone, daddy? We you know about Tyrone?
Yes, you don't think so? Me and you deserve better. Hmm? You don't think so? We deserve better. You deserve somebody who can help you, and if in case of anything and anything, then can do something for me too.
You want better? Go and go talk to your CEO then.
Yes. You see me look like me love man?
Aye, so.
Eh? Me no love man, you know.
You know,
So me
sir.
don't know what kind of argument that, but me figure out that. Listen, man, listen. You know, say I'm money run the world, and money important, and you have to make sure you're there with somebody who have money.
Daddy, me and Tyrone alright. Me can't come on phone anytime I call Tyrone and get money from Tyrone. You mean me need somebody who have money, so me go and tell somebody for money and not love?
Just no be an idiot. Love nah go nowhere. Me all are you know, man. There's a young bud no star, man. Me been through it already, you know, man. You know more time me love. You hear me I tell you? But me can think your mother left me. I be coming out no money. So right now me would I'm glad if me find one little sugar mommy. If you can take care of me and take care of you.
So daddy, let me try to get this straight and get to understand what you try to say. What you try to say? You want to sell me out there so me can get money for come give you? And that you try to say? You sell me out to your co-worker, that you try to say?
Me nah sell you. Me nah sell you. Hear me I tell you, say, man. You will learn, you know. You will learn. You will understand, you know. You will understand. When you get older, you will understand me I talk about.
Daddy, me want to be alone. I just want to be alone. Me can't, me not have no more. We can't have the conversation there again.
You know what? Take your time, man, and think about it. Because I know me I tell you, say, I'm not foolish this. You hear me I tell you? If you did work a construction site and I work in them hot Sunday every day, you don't understand me I talk about.
Daddy, just go on, because me can't believe you.
Alright, you will learn, man. You will learn.
Gosh. But me can't believe, Daddy. Me call auntie because me no know what. Auntie, you down there? Me have something to talk to you, but what do you feel like you come back? Alright, me I get ready and come by you, because me want to talk to you about something. Alright. Evening, Auntie Ellen.
Evening.
What?
But there, where say you did want to talk to me about now? And you sound stressed.
Auntie, you not even know sister me I go through. Me no know how I'm to Daddy. One of my friend they work and must say CEO or assistant, something like that. And I say,
CEO.
he don't want me to get with him because he in a position and a rich man. So me I say, Daddy, what kind of something them there? You know,
Fame friend
yes.
in a high position.
And he want me to get with him.
You want you to go there with. Look
So
here.
me I said to him, say, Daddy, what kind of something them here? And him don't respect the fact that I'm already in our relationship. He just want everything to be about him and money. Until right now, I really not understand. I really want you to talk to him because I know if him do this, I don't want to get no further than this. Come like he wants to tell me, I said he must tell me out.
Anyway, if you never know, say I saw your father stay from long time before you born until to the day. I saw him stay. And he go forever stay so until he die. When me say until he dead, I saw him stay. He try to sell out everyone in family them. And if me no mind sharp, me when I auntie, he want to sell out to his friend them. But through him when can ramp with me.
I don't know.
Him know say he can play with me and put certain kind of conversation with me. You understand me?
Yeah.
So he go pan uno. He wanna pick me, his niece and his cousin them. And money in the look. And if he when they do something good with the money, it wouldn't so bad.
Yeah. He must say to me, say, me not have a talk in it. Because how him say goes.
What you mean?
Like he must say me if him want me to go up and date or date a person, me can't say no because me like say through me under female roof.
Hold on there. All when you underneath film roof. How old you become if you got when you're born?
19.
19, you're a big woman. Him cannot tell you that. Yeah, him can tell you so, but you don't have to do what him say. You understand?
Yeah.
You don't have to do what him say. And if him a keep up no foolishness up there with you not even have to tell him, as in go and pack up your things them and come on your yard. I feel your yard this too. Me and your auntie, you are my niece. And me now go make your father put you out a road so he want to sell you out to people to get money to go around bar. Into out order. Anyway,
You need to contact him for me, auntie, because I don't want things get worse and all worse. Because me really don't understand how daddy are going with it.
don't make him stress you out. Me I go see him and talk to him. Me I go make sure say me talk to him. You think I first time him do this? I don't know if first me I go to him.
First in do it.
He do one of him cousin so. All one of him sister. You know you me tell us say actually know say me rank. Me feisty. And full of attitude. So he now go come to me. Because he know say me a mad somebody, me crazy, me not no sense, me psycho. He know say enough for me brain, he cheap. So he know who fi go to. But wait, he go buck up on the wrong somebody one at the time. Drink and smoke like a damn fool.
I wonder if I get to his head.
They get to his head, I walk in fi go look. And leave you no alone. You are my niece, all when me I know your ma, me still your auntie. And he not supposed to deal with you so. Me I go see him and talk to him.
Alright, you know no food in there.
You want to sit in feet?
Mm-hmm.
Go and go look on his stove or somewhere in there. So. But shut back the door, because I'm not ready to come inside. There's somebody me did a wait pan right here. So me I make a call, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright.
Our breeze blowing. You just walk in my place. You not have a call. What happened?
If you know me, you not say nothing to me. I say you want to live. Sit down and drink rum. Rum and Pepsi every day. Boom, all kind of sitting. So you drink here, so you turn workplace. I so you want your daughter to turn work.
Helen. Me there me yard. Me get me one little day off. And me there enjoy myself. What something wrong with that? Come out of it. What you want?
Not really wrong with you, no kind of me a drinking. Me just show you how you dey abuse your own system. Suppose I did mine, you'd have killed me with it.
Alright.
Don't worry yourself. Drink it till you're dead.
Helen, what you want? Cause on time you come here when either want sit now some problem now what happen?
I don't come to go in no argument with you. I come to talk to you about you and my niece.
What between what happened?
Me and her sit down and talk. And I get to understand, say, the place where you work, you sit on your co-worker them, harm my niece. And it is not right. I know say you're your own big man and I your daughter, but it's my niece. And if I know say I do something wrong, I go contact you about it. It no fear. You can't choose who you want to choose for she talk to. If she don't want to talk to them, you're the vex and a cuss her. I don't understand. What is the problem? And you know what? The worst thing I hate, and money you do it for. Money. You dey work. When you're not satisfied with them, pay you. If your wages not alright. Come to think about it. And you one daughter you have. And you really want to take of money. Money, you know? Money. More money on top of money you want, on top of where they work and get. To mash up you and your daughter relationship. She not even agree with what you do. She not like it. She don't like it at all. For you want carrying man come give her and they introduce her to all some drunk rock. It not nice. But it's alright. Do you do?
Alright, Helen. Me I go do better. Me may still do little drinking now and then, but me I go do better as it pertains to she. Me not set her back for nobody else. Cause all me not do a try, me dey try look out for her, you know. Me dey try look out for her. Me want she have one decent man we can take care of her, man.
So Wayne, hold on there. You not think say at the age of 19, she can choose for herself? And choose even better man than where you they try to choose girl. Oh God man, leave her. She have her choice. Make she pick, choose and refuse. Well, if she pick the wrong one and fear fault, you can't they want push on man for your own daughter. Chew money. That no fear. You're too greedy. You want too much. Satisfied where they get until better come. Or if you not like that the job there, where they whatever them happy, you're uncomfortable with it, look a different job and leave your daughter alone. Anyway, where take yourself there. Slowly but surely, kill yourself. Me not stop you from enjoy yourself cause you feel say. True you want money. This will take off some of my stress off of you. So you go lead your daughter astray just sitting. Here man, drink it. Enjoy yourself. Guess what? You see down a piece of land that me have? Me not fi worry myself if I dead enough, cause me don't have some black steel and cement. You easy fi bury.
Alright. What go on the Tyrone?
Jesus Christ.
You have it, you have everything I know can give me?
I don't know money for me right now. Right now I pay me, I go pay my school fee so we can go hard.
Tyrone. I free figure heart. Me know say I know pain. So how you ever tell me about school fee? Yeah man, just give me a little something right way. You promise me thing, you know man.
Me know so me promise you money, but right now me not no money. Me not no money at all for me right now.
You must have sitting can't give me money, you don't have nothing.
Wait,
Oh,
the
Tyrone.
other day in my pocket.
Tyrone.
All the thing me have I just $100 for
Give me 100 Tyrone. I just want to drink
see
you and buy now.
see all a pass.
Alright, hold on a minute.
I just this alone me have.
So I be like you tell me then school fee and then you tell me about alright, you know what? Everything good. Everything good man. Alright, everything good. Yeah, Tyrone.
Yeah, how this?
Are we in man? You don't know my number. You don't have my number saved in your phone.
Yeah, man. Me have receive. I want
Oh. Alright, so here what I want you know. Call me there, call you. See ask if you don't have a money can lend me. Cause here what happen. Remember someone done ask already, you know man. And you when done tell me say anytime have you again you give me, you know so. So what you say, you don't have money?
Wow. No money for me right now. No.
Listen, Tyrone.
Remember say even recently when you sleep on the road, you ask me for money and I tell you something. Just buy some food for my mother and things so.
Yo, Tyrone. Here what I want.
Hope you understand.
Tyrone, listen to me, I say, man. If you don't have no money, how you can take care of my daughter? Eh? Or you, if you get my daughter pregnant, how you can take care of baby?
But let me not try to plan to say oh get a daughter pregnant.
You don't have to try if you get her pregnant, it can't happen. And listen to me, I say, man. You can't be my son-in-law and if me want the money, me can't ask you for your thing.
But me not even try to even be disrespectful here. But I must say, if me have no money, me can't get that, cause I must say me I'm just there, but me don't really have no type of say full obligation for say take care of.
So hold on, I disrespect you, I try disrespect me by telling me say you have obligation to take care of me.
No, me not try disrespect you. But me must say I work.
Alright, here I go on now. Tyrone. It not gonna work out between you and my daughter, you know.
What do you mean you not go work?
Yeah, because my daughter deserve better and deserve somebody who can take care of her.
But wait, me must say I can't call my phone from when you are. And if you tell you the truth, me not even your answer. But no, you are really tell me say because me can't give you money, you are really say me can't. They will just.
So what makes me a call your phone? Listen man, you can't take a calf. You can't take a cow. I mean, you can't take a calf without taking a cow. Me and my daughter is a package, we come together as one. So if you are going to take care of my daughter, you can't make me get a thing to man.
But we not even think just with that evil think this right say.
Alright, you know what? You know what the conversation now go nowhere and the bag of long back and forth thing now go nowhere. Just know say you and my daughter mash up. You hear that?
You're serious right now?
Just know say you and my daughter mash up. My daughter deserve a man who have money, not broke pocket you.
Say your face and just would agree with this.
It no matter what she agree with you now. I'm her father.
Alright.
Yeah man, big up yourself.
Tyrone. You can talk to you, please. So why you been ignore me? Cause I don't understand. What happened?
Just
The other day you left up a yard so good, so I don't understand. All of a sudden, you not answer my text, you decline my calls them. Me not understand. Me open now the conversation when me hear my father have on the call today. As it sound like you in that talk to, I want to apologize to that. I'm sorry for that cause the problem right now. You can't talk to me, you know.
just
So you really going to just
you
do me
know,
like this because I'm a father?
I don't like more. Just you know, some love you, but I don't know if the relationship I go work out, you know, cause your father I call my phone. I'm afraid for even answer my phone.
I don't know what you mean by this and that go. So you're gonna make because of one silly mistake my father make, you're gonna break up this?
But just not just one silly mistake.
What you mean? It's not one silly mistake.
Alright. You see the other day when me come look for you?
Mm-hmm.
When your father called me out to your room, I beg me money.
See,
Me know, so
see,
me
you
didn't
really
lie to
lied
you.
to me, but
Me know. But your father continue to ask me for money. And to be honest, the way how he might make it sound, he might make it sound like a me a bad guy. I cuss him just want to cuss me out in the house on my phone. You know. If I the phone call that you hear, you must know what he said to me. He basically tell me, say, yo, if me can't give money, a relationship can't work out with me and you. And me can't there with somebody and them parents not like me, you know. That not gonna work, you know. What if one day me want to ask if your hand in marriage?
Tyrone, you
It not gonna
can't
work
make
out.
because of this. Me don't know why my father keep on mess up my life. The Bible said, don't parents don't provoke your children to wrath. And my father does provoke me every day. So
Just
he just going done like this.
me nah say me I go stop talking, you know.
But you basically are
Me
saying
just
that
need
right
one
now.
me just need one break.
You need,
Me just need one break.
you know
If
what?
you just
It's
need to talk to
alright.
your father and
It's okay, Tyrone. Me done.
me not try to hurt your feelings, but me just
It's
need one
alright.
break.
It's alright.
Me
It's
hope you
alright.
understand.
It's alright.
Alright, man. Hold on there. Alright, man. How make you look so?
Well, go on, cuz.
Look like I jump on and jump off and hurt yourself, so.
No, man, I jump more, I jump.
Oh, whoa. So make you look so?
Just all I'm have to break up with my girlfriend.
Break up with your girlfriend. Then because you break up with your girlfriend, make you look so?
No, I don't like me even want to break up with her. It's just that her father continue to piss me, brother. Man just a continue to call my phone and ask me for money. Like, me dey in a relationship with him. He say, if me can give him money, me can't take care of him daughter and this and that and me and she have to left.
So then what kind of dirty man that there? Yeah, if I know what, yo, you want to tell me how me mash them up for you?
No, man, cause it's just a good girl, you know, so not even want to do that to her father. It's just that, as me and her even supposed to go to school together, go to art school.
Oh yeah, I just saw one thing, bro. Nobody put it on your head. Because you say what happened to man, happened to men. You understand?
Yeah.
And it's just like how man need woman, woman need man too. So nobody put them sitting there, you have a lot more women. Look, you see in the water, see my stone in there. I war. But if I not in a man, just you can link me in a man. We have family in a man.
Yeah,
But
man.
afraid to link me if I want no money or anything like that, you know.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
I wash me don't wash off the bus, but me I go down and go get a car washer. So look more here.
Alright.
Yeah, we have to see if we get a load of stone if we can spread off, you say, you know.
Yeah, man.
Because you don't know, we can't make the people then drop when they come here, you know.
Joe.
What you say, money you can come give me, you know.
Why, Ringo, you know, I know say the weed them when take from you, me carry on the site and the man then just out the weed and I tell me say I have to wait till fortnight and this and that. So boy, I link me the con link you see if me can get some more, if you see if me can hustle and make some more money.
Boy, I'm not ready for business yet at all, boy. No matter how we try with Jamaicans, they come like say, a problem.
Sorry
I mean,
about
they
that,
make him and
Ringo.
them a trust out the weed.
Sorry about that, Ringo.
No business there, though. Brother, me tell you, man, weed go buy the gram, you know, man. You see me? So the money come by the... Yo, listen to me, man. When you sell weed, man, you know run joke with the money thing, brother.
Alright, Ringo. Hear me there, pre. If you could just give me back some more, we just try to see if me can do better this time and make more money. Double the price, make back more money and pay you for that to me the take.
Brother, like a party shop me I run, man. Eh? I mean, give you back some more weed. Then after you come tell me, me think of my money, I can come give me a account, tell me about you want more weed. Eh? So if me give the weed and no money now come in, how me go pay the man them to clean up the place? Eh? Oh, right now, see it there. I saw stone more and get for spread out so the people them not drop when they come in. And the money that will cost me, you know, man. And you come tell me about you want more weed. Look like a cokehead to you, man.
Alright. Here you are going, Ringo. I know you're not cooked, but here you are going. Me have one nice daughter. I feel like some could give her to you and make you up to you. You understand? Nice, young too. You know? She have age, man.
First, me I hear about you having daughter, you know. You say she blossom?
Yeah, man, she a big woman, man. She did have one boyfriend and then mash up. You understand? So right now she's single. So me could just line up a thing for you. You understand me? I say, cause she need a good man and a good girl. You know me? I say, I know say he's a man. You take care of a woman. You understand, Ringo? Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
So what you want out of this, you know?
Why? Just give me a little thing. Me nah pressure thing. Just give me a money.
Yeah, what? You still have some money for me, you know. Yeah, should the money on me again? Enough for you, you know. For your daughter. Tell her she should do her here and get something nice when she are forward. You understand?
Alright, Mr. Ringo. Thank you.
No, man, enough for you.
Oh, yes.
She,
Oh, sorry about that.
just give her this. So
Alright.
when she a come. You understand?
Alright, Ringo.
Don't take nothing more tight, you know.
No, man. We would never do something like that. Alright. Yeah, man. I fear. Me know I go already. Alright, so here we Ringo. If me no carry her come, you can come down on my yard, down on my yard for her.
But wait, I know some business go. Me give you the money you're supposed to deliver her to me. Me not supposed to come down here. Don't me have my business to run. Carry her, come here, so come give me, man.
Alright, Mr. Ringo. Thanks again, you hear?
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Remember, you know, get the money, come when me way out for me weed.
Alright,
That's how
Ringo.
I run big business.
Alright. My daughter, give me a minute there.
Daddy, when you have this a rum cup in your hand?
I'm talking about that. Sorry for my behavior that day about my co-worker them. Sorry about that. But I want to make you up to you, my daughter. You know, I want to make you up to you. I get a piece of money and I want to give you $100 out of it, you know?
If you take it serious right now, look how much money you have in your hand. And that $100 you want to look at me and give me? Matter of fact, where you get money from? Not even what about the amount you give me. Where you get money from?
You know,
Today I know about 10, where you get money from?
you know what? No,
It's
but
because me know you stay and me know you styling what you carry on. Me not gonna take the money from you, but you careful of what you do. Careful of what you
Nah, but I
do.
give you no money.
Me don't want your money because me know what you're capable of doing. Me don't want no money. Keep your money. Just try not put me in a problem because me know where you get money from.
Me I want sometimes I wonder if you're my daughter. You don't love money?
Me I know your daughter because me don't want no dirty money.
You know what? I feel like sitting around with you because only dead somebody don't want no
Me
money.
dead. Me don't want your money. Me alright.
You will have you there and sit. Look at me.
Where you get money from, you come. You think me don't know where you do? And a mountain yet, so where you get money from? Alright, yeah.
Don't be alarmed, man.
Who is you and why you park at my gate?
My name Ringo.
I don't know you from nowhere.
Don't ring a bell.
No, it doesn't. How may I help you?
Your father. Me and him did have an agreement.
And may I ask what type of agreement?
I don't know if you're aware now, but your father always in a some monetary problem, but him come and see me up on my place and offer me a deal.
Deal? What type of deal are you talking? I shouldn't even ask you that. Okay. Continue.
So basically, him promise we bring you come see me couple weeks now. And him been a take too long. So I come for collect you.
My father could never made an arrangement with you without my consent or without me knowing. So I don't know what you hear about or what you come about, but come right. Me know say my father love money and him do some sort of things with money, but him could never go behind my back and sell me out to you.
Apparently your father and I on the same page, but a deal is a deal. I gave your father a lot of money to give to you.
Okay, me see where all of this coming from. So the other day when him a come give me $100 out of money, but him get money from somewhere. That's where it came it from. Well listen, Mr. Ringo, I am not Charlene. Money don't read my eye. So if you feel like say you can pay up my father for come bring me out or whatever, it not go work. Try again. So anything when my father have, y'all can go and settle it outside and don't bring any foolish to me.
Alright, listen. I'm not a man who is going to disrespect you or get out of my
Did
character.
I disrespect you?
No, listen now. But I am Ringo. Me and your father have a deal and talk to him and he come.
That don't have anything to do with me.
Alright?
I'm saying this respectfully. I don't want to see you back in my entire life. You see my father, yeah, my father have something. Take it up with him, not me.
Alright, listen now. So the next time you see me come back here, it's not gonna be as casual as like this.
And
You're gonna go with me.
yeah, are you are you threatening me or you promise me something?
No threat? No, come on.
Cause I want to get this clear. I want to get this clear. I don't want to see you back at my door. I don't want to see you back anywhere around this area. So if you need my father, you call him and you and him go wherever. You know what? Excuse me.
Just tell him to come see me, yeah?
You can tell him that yourself. You're not dumb.
Well, go on, my boss. Everything good.
Don't walk on your boss my backside, man. I'm to you. You after you make man grow in your yard for your daughter, you make your daughter come embarrass me.
Sorry about that, my boss, man. Sorry about that, man. Me talk. Sorry about that, man. Sorry about that, man. Me never mean for that happen. Me talk to her about him, man, and tell her say they are come. She not tell us so me talk to her.
Yo, enough money me give you, you know, for your daughter, you know. You come to me, you know, man, and you tell me say you're in a certain problem, you know. And I say, what you have for this, you know? And you say you have your daughter, you know. And you make an arrangement with me, you know. If you say you come here and all you do is run round and I run round and I come round with the thing, you know.
Me sorry about that, my boss, man. Me go talk to her, man, and just make everything right.
You don't know what they call me Ringo, don't it? You think me normal?
Me know my boss. Me know, man.
You hear me, sir? I give you until about three days. To carry your daughter come give me. You see if your daughter not reach back up on my yard in a 3 days time, I want back my money, or else me can't get back a whole of my money. Every cent. Every cent of my money me want back.
All right, my boss. Me go fix things, man. Me go talk to my daughter. Me go go down on my yard, you know, and talk to my daughter. Me sorry about that, my boss.
And tell your daughter say to fix her attitude to, you know, before she come a man place, you know. Because them attitude, them don't want them on place.
Alright, my boss. Me sorry about that, man. I'm gonna deal with him, man. As me reach you, me just deal with it. Alright, my boss.
Next time, if we come back in a different situation, my brother, I'm not coming down chatting, you know.
Alright, my boss.
Oh.
Alright.
God no, auntie. I feel like saying, you know, after you talk to daddy, everything going to change, you know.
Eh? Me not hear what you say. What you just say?
Me say, I feel like when you did talk to daddy, what you moody come to you, things you gonna get better. Things get worse, you know.
What you mean?
He mash up my relationship with me and Tyrone. Me a come in, me see one man. You know Ringo?
I can't. The Ringo when me know you they talk about, you know. And what?
Auntie?
When you say about Ringo, when can Ringo come the figure do? If he introduce if dirty Ringo to you?
The other day, he get some money if me want some. But I truly know if him behavior, I know the things that me go on. So me say me no want no money. So when me come see Ringo, me do what I say, him a wait for me. I say, me and this man never get acquainted. Me no know this man a friend now, so where am I wait for me for? Anyways, now me daddy ask him, say, where am I do, where you know me from, and him a say, if my father not tell him, say, him a come for me for bring me out pan gate. Me say, so me say, what you mean? Him a say him pay my father fi come bring me out pan gate. So no more than the money when him a come ask me about what you eat in collect from the man fi make him man bring me out pan gate. So tell me if that right now, auntie.
Lord Jesus. Ringo?
The man a bad me up and say, what kind of foolish this? And watch how me a go when me see your daddy, how me a go do and
Dirty nasty Ringo can't do you nothing. Him better go back to him for money. As far as me concerned, no care how much me talk to him, he not change. Him not have no change a change. I selling the sell you out. You know, say we ain't a real idiot. Like seriously, Wayne are your daddy. And Wayne they put you out to some dirty drugs head man. Wayne are no good somebody. Two of them are same thing. That's why them are friend. So why Wayne go to Tyrone?
I say, auntie, this is a long story, but me I go tell you. The other day, me and Tyrone come by the house, and daddy did the hear. Me see him call him out of the room. Then I take it, say, him a go do something. Me see Tyrone come back, so me say to him, say, I want meet you and daddy. But he never, he only tell me, say, yeah, daddy, talk to me, nothing no wrong, and like a lime tail. Anyways, he left. So one day me hear daddy in a room and say, if you not give me no more money, you can't come back and you can't chat to me that. So me pick up say a taxi boy and shoot around and answer him phone. In tell the boy say he can't come back here. So me call Tyrone and me ask him say, so oh you not tell me say my father ask you for money and you give him. He might go say to me say he can't, but I would this relationship because he can't keep give me daddy money. Auntie, me stress. Because me no know daddy no me no know.
So from that, you know, see back Tyrone again.
Him black me, you know want hear no from me because what daddy do I no write something.
So Wayne really take it so serious. They try and make money off of you.
Come like you feel a joke in
He
your talk.
own a daughter. You know what? If you know me know, you go back straight up on yard, pack your things them and come right here so with me there. You hear what me say? Because little more from this, you give you three people them where do trafficking. You know one them where do human trafficking? Okay, all in your sleep to the way and wicked. Cause you ain't one a child. And him a do that to you. I sell you to too much different man. And two, you not agree. He make all you and your boyfriend mash up. Wayne, I'm a brother, but me they tell you my niece. He's a very wicked man. Me no know if you're happy say your daddy. But me sorry say my brother. That me I tell you.
No,
Too wicked man.
Stay up best next day now auntie say if you say me for come.
Hello, get up now, get up. Get up.
Alright.
Go on for your clothes them.
Me soon come.
No making answer no question.
ago?
Just see me act like you don't see me, daddy.
What make you get so disrespectful? Eh? What make you get so disrespectful? What me do you? All me try if it beat you, you know, is a good father. What happened? Where you go?
Me not even can hold a conversation with you right now. You talk about disrespect? Disrespectful or whatever you just say? I've been nothing but respectful to you, daddy. And what you do, disrespect me and want to tell me to people. The other day, me just start over here. When Tyrone come look for me, you draw him, can't come in a room. God only know what you tell him say. And get money from him. And because him start give money, you call him on phone and tell him say if he can't get no more money, he can't talk back to me. Right?
I Tyrone tell you that.
And listen to me
I
that.
don't Tyrone tell you that.
Me a target. See why me can't have a conversation with you? Hear the rum talking in your voice. And you make the boy, me and the boy left. And you go as far as taking money from Ringo, make Ringo come and do what we upon me. And the other day you come with the money and I give me $100. $100 of all of the money Ringo give you, daddy. Daddy, me can't do this no more. Me probably in my sleep and wake up about me lip and because you tell me I got them. Or tell me.
So hold on. True me I look out for you and I try to give you one decent man and I try to get you out of your arms. I look work this boy. You vex with me?
So daddy, why it all have to be why me can't choose somebody and bring it under this roof for you approve of them? If they don't have big car and big house and big this, you don't want them to be your part of the family. Well, what me want and I know what you want. And if me say me not need, you cannot force me to do that, so me I left your house. Daddy, how you greedy so? Me say the only person me still have money more than you is a prostitute. You're too greedy, man. Jesus Christ, have mercy.
You know what? Sometimes I feel like say a jacket, you know.
Thank you.
Sometimes I feel like say a jacket because I don't understand how money not important to you. You think you can live without money?
Me a
Or you
live
think
right
we pay
now.
light bill there and water rate? You think of the money?
Daddy, the other day when I taxed around, don't I get money from him? If you want better, go find better for yourself. And
So
go
hold on,
do
let me
what
ask
your
you.
boss
So
or something.
where you pack up and go?
Me a go down and me auntie, don't worry about when me.
Oh, so I'm a influence you?
Why you do influence me for the good? Why you don't want to sell out your own daughter?
Oh, so a dirty Helena put you up against me?
Why you do that? Why you want to sell out your own pitney? Actually, woman you usually sell out your woman to the say you know
That's why them broke and they don't have nothing.
they stay, they want to prosper in their life, and that's why God bless and follow you. You're my father, but
You
I
know
don't
what?
like you.
You know what? Pack up your things and go on.
How you see me I do? Leave me to it now. Leave me to
And
it.
I hope when me come back, me not see you.
You're not going to see me.
Helen, how you so wicked? Eh? Tell me. Eh? How you feel encourage me daughter? How you feel disencourage me daughter from when me I try tell her say? Eh? Me I try to get one good rich man for her. And me link up Ringo, who Ringo have money and Ringo want help him and help me too. And you fight it down and tell her say, if you not do it, and if you come down your accountant. Hmm?
That you come to me about? You is the worst brother and the worst pooper. You is a disgusting little wretch. Can you imagine? You have your one daughter and you take your daughter, they sell out to man. A matter of fact, you know no style. And your daughter, you don't mean your daughter no good. No good at all. Look on dirty Ringo. Ringo a fall person. We not even have education. Ringo come like you know. That's why you're my friend. You're not even if you're not no right to choose no man. Give your daughter. Carly says you go do it then. A Ringo you choose? Dirty nasty Ringo you walk on thief like what? Eh? Nobody can put down nothing in the yard. They have to watch if Ringo they come. You say I idiot? You know no sense. And that you come about, you no listen. You don't hear. I wonder if when me did talk to you the first time you did hear me. If you did hear me, you'd have listen to me and do what me say. God Almighty man. No, this is serious. Me talk to you and warn you, say you cannot the choose man for your daughter and you still dey do it. How what so? How what?
Helen, you don't talk?
Me can't don't talk in this situation because it's rough.
Alright, you are going. From where I pick me and grow up, you know, me see it say, you against me now, and you fight against me.
I like me
And
not
you
like
don't
your
want me
dirty
come out
style.
to nothing good in my life. I know me have an opportunity to better my life. You know what? You know want to see me come out to nothing. You know want to see me have nothing. Eh?
I don't like me, not like you. Me not like your dirty style them. I'm a niece. She is my niece. So me must allow you if you do your foolishness them with your own daughter. Don't get so she go stay. I hope I not come back for her because she not coming back up there until you change your dirty ways them. If you want one next picnic, if you do like that, go on out the road, go look on skettle and breed that the girl there. Them the girl in a one on picnic, take them the picnic they do what you want to do. It make Babylon lock you up.
I want to me I tell you, Ellen. You see when me think up and my money up and things are going for me certain way. You know you can't come to me for no money, you know.
Me no want nothing from you. You ever see me beg you anything yet? Me no want nothing from you none tall. Me a work. Me will satisfied what me a work with.
Better satisfied now. Nobody better not take sick now, nothing, you know. Cause my money have for me and for drink me little rum, you know.
Why your money? You send your daughter out to man and collect money, your money, your honest money that way you work and sweat. And
You're,
this honest
me
money me
don't
no
talk
want
to you,
it.
know, Helen. Cause you all I know try judge me, you know. A judge you know try judge me, you know.
Look where you're in. They act like you work on
You
site.
know me work clothes.
So why make you not go on and work and leave your daughter alone? Make she prosper.
You know, me I come out your yard no cause
Go on.
me see someone not try disrespect me, you know.
You better you go on because see it you all gone too far. You gone to Tyrone, gone mash up the people them life. A big girl that know me,
And she tell us that me mash up
You
she
know
and I
business you
run.
want tell me you live side of people where they hear you cause you ever they chat loud and a ball off her like she's a child. A big woman now, 19-year-old and she can't choose who she want for herself.
You know what? That's why you don't have no man for yourself, man.
Me no want have
Cause
no man.
no want nothing good.
Me
No
no want
want
have
nothing good.
no man like you. Disgusting cockroach.
Yeah, man. So I must say, you are one of the best interns I ever got from Archer Center. Alright, so let's get to work. Remember I said the farms, there are 16. Come and look at it. 16, right?
Yes.
Right. And the length is 8.
Yes, boss.
I remember that how much millimeter make an inch?
Not true.
25. Right?
Alright.
Yeah, man. So, but yeah, go on good. But safety is paramount, so don't come back tomorrow looking like this. Yeah, man. So we are go this cantilever them.
Yo,
That's this
you see the one Wayne.
Wayne.
Around that some years say my work, man.
Yeah, man. I'm not there today.
Him not there.
How happened?
You're right now, you know, you. I try to even know, you know, man. I try go around man thing, you know. And a blood, me a bloody man, me see him, you know.
I don't really know his whereabouts right now, no.
Yo, you say no know which part him there?
No, sir. So you know say Wayne work here.
So me say no, yeah, son, what's your man, what you mean? You don't know who me.
No, man. Him not work here again, man. Me let him go. I just some other stuff with there. Do him time done on the site, man. See if
Yo,
I can find him somewhere else. Huh?
hear me I say. You see if I see him,
Yes.
tell him say, yo, if you come, link me up on my place. Tell him say me I look for him.
Yeah, man. That's how if I see him. And the chance slim, because I not deal with him again.
You know deal with him again.
No.
So yo,
All right then.
hear me I say.
Mm-hmm.
Tell me if this right. Zane,
Right.
the man can link me, you know, and tell me say, oh, you know, some little problem, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Me I'll give him all weed for selling up on this same site here, you know.
What you say to me? On my site?
What you mean?
You serious?
I mean, how much money worth of weed me give him and he must tell me sit down and say, hey, man, them want weed. Hot like a hot bread and I say somebody and give him weed. Next time man come and link me again, tell me say, oh, no money. Promise me in daughter. So me I say, you promise me a daughter cause I first me I say one father I go promise put up in daughter up front like that.
Right.
You get me I say? So me I say, yo, alright. And I give you no more money, you know.
Yes.
Hey, sister own money off your daughter. For she can
set up ourselves before he come look for me. You get me, I say?
Okay.
The man look like say man name off the money or drink out the money and I try go around man thing, brother. Until now me not get no data.
My gosh.
Yo, you see if you ever see him, just make him know say you have to come for find me.
Alright.
Cause if yo,
Me feel your pain, man, but me have to go up and now go do some work. Yes, sir?
man, we make shot rain around this, you know, man.
I wouldn't want none of that, you know.
Yo.
And put away that knife, man. No look good, boss.
Alright, Mr. What's next?
Daughter, I'm going to give you the rest of the day. But I'll write on the paper that you did the right amount of hours, right?
Alright.
Remember all of the ties that I told you, the figure 8 with twist and all of them, right?
Yes, sir.
And the ratio for the concrete. Just study those and turn up 9 o'clock tomorrow.
Alright.
Yes. I have to start out something. Yeah. Be safe on the road.
Alright, boss.
Yes.
Yeah, morning, big boss. What going?
Morning, what going?
Yes, you know, when I work, man. Think everybody around there at work.
Yeah, man, we wanted to do some work this morning, however, change my mind.
So what happened now, bossy?
Why? Wayne? Trouble always a follow you, I don't know why.
What me do now, bossy? Me don't do nothing, you know?
Why, Wayne? Even the little girl who do the intern, I have to send her home because of you.
What me do?
Ringo came here early on,
Ringo come there?
yes, saying that you promise him your daughter and you take money from him.
Bossy, you really believe that Ringo a liar, you know, man? You really believe that?
Don't bother with that. Wayne, you know you better than that. Remember you tell me the same thing. You tell me say you're going to give me your daughter. No bother with it. Junior, you tell me.
Bossy, it's just a one-off thing, that, man.
Wayne, no bother with it. You tell me the same thing.
And then, bossy, me and my daughter, you don't think some more my daughter get one good, decent, man?
Yes, I'm a plan for me to take her out on a date. However, it don't look like it's going to work again. It's a very nice girl though. I like her.
Bossy, you can't listen to Ringo.
No, but listen to me now. Ringo all murderer. Me ain't no competition with Ringo. Ringo come as a flash strategical in front of the young girl while do the intern. You know some Ringo all killer. You don't know that.
Alright, bossy. So wait a sec. I want to understand what you say. What you say now?
All
I'm ready to start work, you know.
All more say. Them belt in there, I have to go get somebody else. Put them up. That's all I say, boss.
So I fire me then.
I don't really want to fire you, Wayne, but just to avoid the trouble, Wayne.
Alright, boss. See you about that. See you about that.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Hold on. I have something for you.
Yeah, man. Because you want to change me too, you know. I ain't remember nothing about you. I got buy some rum.
Nah, I go rob you.
Only this, bossy?
Thank you for your service, boss.
Alright. Everything good.
You know say, the one Wayne I try to take me for you that.
Who?
Wayne! I try to take me for you that, brother.
What you say?
After the man come here, dog, and I stay at Bamson, I gave him about 3 pounds of weed for sell. You understand? The man come here, brother, and I tell me, say, oh, I not have the money. Where? And promise me in data, brother. And then,
Hold on, what you say? In data?
brother, the
So
man...
hold on there. But I never know say Wayne a pimp.
No, man, I don't know pimping thing, man.
No
It's just
matter,
a
Well, listen. No matter what you say in the ringo, a pimp him a pimp out in data.
Yo, hear me, I say.
Me I hear what you say.
Me give man some money, dog, for him carry daughter come on my foot. You understand? For she get her hair done and thing. Cause I don't know. We spend money for a woman, you know. You see me? But the man, me go down a man workplace, dog, and the man hide me and I try to go around me thing. But yo, more you go find him and bring him come here, so.
So that you want.
Carrying daughter come to.
Here what I go, I go find him, but me not how old in data be.
Him say him blossom. So you what? Just find him and carry him come give me right now.
As long as he not underage, me carry data too. But me I find him, man.
Yeah, man.
Alright, sir.
Yo, look up.
Ah.
Alright, so now you live here,
Mm-hmm.
just get comfortable, feel at home.
Yeah. I'm glad to me make the right decision not to come down here, because boy, until me no know what would have be outcome of me up at that day.
Wayne is my brother. Me know how he stay for a long time. You see what he do to you? They sell you out to man, you own a father. Greedy little dog. Me have him up feet. And if he can do such a thing like that, my niece, God Almighty, why you won't do? Me not trust him. Me don't trust him not even from right so to right there so. You understand me?
Yeah.
And my brother, you know, me no know when we do from what you want to do, you know, but you see before we reach so far, God just tell me to make you come from out of your house and come on my yard. Thank God you get your education. And a matter of fact, you can further it. If you want, you can go on evening class out the road. Out
About
I had trust
education.
school.
Yes, me apply for it what they
Alright.
then say me can come in next week.
See there? You have good picnic and you not even know. I idiot. No mind chopper you same one if you go and take care of him when he old. If he live is a certain age.
Bad blessing I go take him.
But look here, are your father? Are your father? Me understand say you grieve with all what he do to you. Me know say you hurt. I mean, know you can't believe say your father and him did do such a thing to you. They sell you out to him friend them to get money or him crave, greedy and gluttonous. But look here, don't worry yourself. You see, if you can't forgive him, forgive him.
Me forgive him, but me not forget.
Because the whole of we do wrong things at times and we sin. And we want God to forgive we. So are your father forgive him? Because you see if you not forgive him, you go see him on roadside and beg little more from this. God forbid, hope it not happen, maybe. Because sometimes some wickedness what we do on earth make certain things happen to you out there, you know. And people pass up on road want help you and not help you through they know what you used to do. So anyway, forgive him for now.
Auntie, may I tell you, me will forgive him, you know. But he hard because when do me no know, when do he just have me traumatized. When would you do? When would you do? But anyways, just hope one day it can change. Just hope one day it can change. Anyways, I got this to go take some fresh breeze because in here was hot. So me out here so. Alright.
Or yourself.
Ringo, this is boy to shop all ago.
Where's it, Dapper?
Yes, I see the boy to shop here.
Oh, Wayne.
Yeah, Wayne.
You know how long me I look for the boy. And him a hide me.
Yeah, man.
Yo, you and him go for him. And carry him come here, so right now.
Alright, Dapper. We're gonna make a step.
It's alright.
You hear me say, Dapper?
Yeah, man, we are going to feed him right away.
Me bombard. Especially the drink.
Yeah, long time I want the boy here, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Ringo put a hit on your head, you know. Alive.
No, man. Jimmy, listen up. Me can explain, man. It's a little business me and Ringo have a go on and He understand, man. Everything good, man. Everything
Understand,
good. Yeah.
explain.
Yeah, everything good.
But me never know say you pimp out your daughter, brother.
No, man, I not like that, man. It's not like that, Jimmy. It's not like that, man. That Ringo tell us,
Listen, where Ringo tell me no really matter, you know. You understand me? I say, just know say, me get paid for carry in a life. Because you who Ringo.
Alright, when me go me talk to Ringo, because Ringo we understand, man.
No, get up, no.
Get up.
Alright, my boss, alright. Yo, Ringo, you never have to reach us, you know, Ringo. You never have to reach us, so. Ringo, we can talk about this like a two big man, no, Ringo. We can talk about it, man.
Wayne. From other day, you try to go around me thing, you know. You understand? I'm telling you this. Me no run joke with too long. A couple chance me give. Yeah? You know why they call me Ringo? You don't know why they call me Ringo?
No, my boss.
He must say yeah, Ringo with the pan cheap.
Ringo, listen to me, I say no. My daughter move out of the house for me and gone down and my sister. And I cannot take no talk from me, Ringo. Some don't know what else to do.
I last chance me again. So here what you do. Go around in your yard for your daughter car come give me now. And I make me spit the ground in your sock. And it dry. And you don't come back yet. You hear that?
Me can't do that. My daughter move out of my house and gone and my sister gone live and I can't control her. I don't know what more to do, Ringo. We can talk about this like a two big man in a Ringo.
Yep, yo, Cam, come on. I must feel like saying on joke thing.
Yo, Ringo, what you gonna do to me, Ringo? What you gonna do to me?
Blood catch out from shop. Yo, I'm telling you this. Don't run for me money. You hear?
Ringo, you don't have to do me so. Ringo, you don't have to do me so. No, Ringo, no, God, no, Ringo. Nobody look some man. I want to talk to you, man. Please, just turn on, man. I want to say something to you.
Me feel have to want your way have to say. What wrong with your eye?
I don't really want to talk about that to my daughter.
No, what you mean? You're gonna sit there and tell me say what happened to your eye?
It's a little thing happen between me and Ringo, but hear me say that. See, everything when I do when I pass, I just want you to just look past it and know say all I do out of desperation and love for money. And it cause me eye if you look so. So right now I just want you to work with me, please. You see money when I take from Ringo, I don't have it to give back Ringo. And right now, a matter of fact, I don't even think Ringo want back your money. So right now, I have to go help me out my daughter. So here what you have to do. You don't have to in no serious relationship with Ringo. Just pretend like you like him and you're into him until this kind of blow off, then you just left him.
Daddy, I love you. I respect you. But you and the Ringo situation there, me not gonna do it. Look how in the eye. What you expecting going to do to mine? Pluck it out? Me not do that. See, any situation where you and Ringo have, you go sort it out and me not gonna get involved.
So you're gonna make Ringo kill me?
You never know when you get yourself in it before you put yourself in it.
Me never know so Ringo serious.
You always tell me say don't put my hat where me can't reach it. Why you put your hat where you cannot reach it?
Me never know say you escalate to this. I swear. Me never know. I don't feel like me have no way out of that situation. Yeah.
Me can't help you. That's me not gonna put you up no. Me can't help you. After what you deal with me can't help you. Ringo give you money and you gonna give me $100. I cannot help you. I cannot. You know you're gonna deal with that situation, but me not help you. And me can't and me not.
Listen to me, I say. I don't ask me, I ask you, know, me your father, you know. Listen,
what you mean I ask you?
Listen, man, me your father. Me couldn't use protection on you know there, you know.
Me say already, me not doing anything. You cannot force me.
Listen, me I say, you have to come with me.
Let me go.
You have to come with me.
What you mean me have to come with you? Auntie!
You think
Move!
I beg you?
Auntie Ellen!
I want out here, so.
You might try to kidnap me.
Dirty Wayne, me a beg you fi come out of me yard. Where you come out? Leave her alone, man. Go on which part you dey go. Where you out here so they contaminate the fitness of her? I want you force on man pan her and she not agree with you and you still come back again?
You see what I'm to me, yai?
I want you here, drop your drop.
Ringo do me, yai, so.
You should have blind you. You're too damn wicked.
Listen what me I say, man. Listen what me I say. I'm my daughter and I'm me help bring him come here, you know. So right now, if more she can do for me for all what me do for her in her entire life, is just come with me. She not have to dead Ringo no long time. Just start to Ringo a little bit until me pay me debt.
You all when you get the lick in your eye, you still said you start to ring a little bit. Eh? So what you plan to do with your daughter? Sell her out. Eh? To idiot just like you. I should have dead you're dead.
You know what? Me ain't a long chatting with me now.
You can't have no long chatting with me. First of all, you shouldn't even come in my yard. Go on which part they go, man.
Me ain't a long chatting with you now. Cause me see say you corrupt our brain. Everything good, man.
Greedy daddy. Come out of my yard. Greedy pooper. Now come back here. All you. Go on in my house. Me don't know where you hear my call and come out here to him. For you idiot.
How Ringo?
Yo, don't laugh with me, man. Come and laugh with me, boy. Look how long you say you come down here. Wow, she not ready yet. Right, if not, this is just say something to your face, you know, man.
Alright, Ringo. To tell you the truth, we don't plan to work out this one next week, cause you what? Boy, I'm try my best to get my daughter to come. And y'all get all physical a while ago and she just nah budge, but all my sister get involved and it's like me not even know what more to do, Ringo.
So, Lani, I don't understand. So, how if you have your daughter, you can't control your daughter?
Ringo and about control, me try control him, Ringo, and no work out. We don't couldn't work out this one next week like me do some work for you or something, Ringo. Please, Ringo, me try my best, man. And right now, me have to go get all that money if you got a doctor with me eye. Because I not even see so good out of it.
Yo, hear me, I say.
Ringo.
Tell her this.
Ringo.
This is not a joke thing, you know. You promised me a daughter and you run around with man thing. What you want? You want a telephone or you want a broke hand or a broke foot?
Please, no, understand, no, Ringo. Me try my best and my daughter and you mash up all my relationship with my daughter. Please, Mr. Ringo.
So on there. You feel like say me money, you don't mash up a relationship with my money too. Eh? Brother, no ramp with me money. Me talk to you, you try to go around the thing. You say you give me a daughter, and it's like you try to take man for fool.
Me not think of a fool, Mr. Ringo.
Except for them one thing, me cut you out. But turn up yourself and I break your foot. Don't move for anything.
Please, Mr. Ringo, please. Mr. Ringo, me I beg you, sir. Me I beg you.
Beg me? You tell her this.
Alright, Mr. Ringo.
Tell her this.
Please, sir, please. Mr. Ringo, no, Jesus Christ, Mr. Ringo. You brought me foot, Mr. Ringo, you brought me foot, sir. Oh, God, man, what can we do with this, Ringo? What can we do with this?
Yo, tell her this. That happened to greedy dog, you hear? That happened to greedy dog. You want to play greedy games?
You broke my foot, sir, you broke my foot.
I'm going to mash up all my glass, you know. Funny one, give me. Yo, shut up.